Ji Assalamualaikum. Once again, welcome back to your own channel AR Trainings Official. So today we are going to learn how to generate a landscape in Blender with the help of simple and easy add-on that is ANT landscape, right? As there are many other add-ons available in Blender market, but this one is by default and free to use. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Let's open Blender. So simply go to the preferences and search for the add-on that is ANT landscape. Okay, so in the search bar type ANT landscape. Now simply activate the add-on by clicking on the box and then hit close. Okay, I already have selected the add-on, so select it and hit close. Now type shift A and select mesh object, and in the bottom you will see an option that is landscape. So simply open the add-on. Now by default Blender gives you multiple options to tweak this landscape in different ways. Okay, simply click on drop down arrow and you have now multiple options to change this landscape in sort of mountain, hilly areas, fairy meadows, lake and etc. It's totally depends upon you how you tweak this landscape in different ways. Just play with these settings even more in detail to get a better idea, right? You can also add materials or textures to a landscape by simply going to the materials option and then select the texture you want to use. By the way, I will be uploading a next tutorial on how to add textures or materials to a landscape with the help of UVW mapping. So that's all for today. I hope this video is going to be a very informative and helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Keep watching, keep supporting. More interesting informative tutorials are uploading very soon. So stay tuned. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. Thanks a bunch.